Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to know which subject line or email content gets more opens and clicks? Let me show you how to run a /B test in ActiveCampaign. First, click Campaigns in your left menu, then start from scratch instead. Choose Split Testing. You have two options. Option 1, test subject lines, and from info only, the email design stays the same. Option 2, test subject lines from info and email content. This lets you test completely different designs. Click Next and enter your subject line, preheader, and from details. Click the plus button to add up to 5 variations. Design your email, then configure your split test settings. Choose how to determine the winner by best open rate or best click rate. Set when the winner should be determined. The default is 2 days. Set your email ratios. For most tests, keep them equal. The winning version will send to the remaining contacts. Test each variant before sending. Click Test and Preview to send test emails to up to 5 addresses. Finally, click Send Now or schedule it for later. And that's it. Your /B test will automatically declare a winner and send it to the rest of your list. If you run a /B test, let me know what you're testing in the comments. Let's see you in the next one.